Hello guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now. And on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost audiomack streams in Nigeria, and we are going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net. Once you search it as a first timer, this is how the website is going to display. Growbetter.net is a website where you put all your social media like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Telegram, audiomack, and other social media apps. And on this website, you can boost your followers, your views, your streams, your play, your subscribers, your likes, your comments on growbetter.net. First and first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net before you make any order on the website. If you don't have an account, all you have to do is click on the sign up button. There are a few steps you follow to create an account with growbetter.net. On my previous videos, I've shown and explained how to create an account with growbetter.net. It's very easy and simple. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to create an account with growbetter.net, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. I've also shown and explained on the previous videos how to add fund on this website, growbetter.net. If you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to add fund, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. Let's get right into the video. Under category, you click on this arrow. You see audiomack services there, you click on it. Then under services here, you click on this arrow. There are varieties of services there, as you can see, but we are doing audiomack streams Nigeria, right? As you can see, there's audiomack stream Canada, audiomack stream US, audiomack stream UK, audiomack stream France, Germany, Ghana, Egypt, and South Africa. And there's also Nigerian audiomack streams there. The one I'm about to show you guys is audiomack Nigeria streams, right? You click on audiomack Nigerian stream. Under link and quantity, on this link you have to impute the song link, and under this quantity you have to impute the amount of streams you want to get. I've copied my link before the start of this video. All I have to do is impute my link. Once you have input your link, all you have to do is input the quantity of streams you want to get. And for the purpose of this video, I'm imputing 1000. I'll click on done. Once you have input your correct song link and the quantity of streams you want to get for that particular song, all you have to do is come down here and click on submit. Once you have clicked on submit, you see a notification that your order has been received and your streams will start counting immediately. Note guys, as I said, this website is not free. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net, and the second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you make any order on this website. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this, and if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, all you have to do is kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime we post a new video. And if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you. Don't forget to kindly like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you, and God bless you.